All right, guys, so you just saw that 3RS running up on the dyno. It's probably one of the coolest sounding cars we've ever had up here, I think. I'm a V8 guy, but that thing's unbelievable. So, little recap on the runs. The 459, I think that was probably our smoothest run. Highest reading run was 462. You can see how it kind of pulled some timing down here and then added it back. So the Porsches and most of the European stuff, they kind of started with the way of the strategy they use on the timing, and you can kind of see how this run is. Runs aren't super smooth, and that's because they use the knock sensors to basically, the timing's floating. So the knock sensors are constantly, monitoring the amount of noise that the combustion is making, and the ECU then will control the timing on the fly based on that. So it's not just a fixed timing value. There's base timing values, and then the ECU is always going to be pulling and adding a certain amount of timing based on how good the fuel is, essentially. So I'll bring up all the runs. This thing is very consistent. It kept picking up power, obviously, I think, as we got the oil hotter and hotter and hotter. And obviously we're doing some runs through the gears, but it's very consistent. You see all four runs are almost overlaying each other within, a few horsepower. But man, that thing is unbelievable. And just the amount of usable rev range you have with it, you can see how it doesn't make a lot of torque, but you can see from 4,000 RPM or even 3,700 RPM all the way out to 8,000 RPM. I mean, it's just kind of a flat curve. And I'll bring that smoothest run up. So, obviously that engine is very flexible, and that's what it's designed to do. Get on track and, hit corners in all sorts of different dynamic situations. But then also just, obviously, the amount of RPM you can turn with that thing. I think I was turning it almost to the limiter, like 86, 8,700. I think the limiter comes in at 88 or 89. It's unreal. It was super cool. So we'll get some more of those types of cars up on this thing for sure in the future, which will be exciting. So that'll do it for this one. But yeah, about 460 at the wheels. And I think we're going to, Chuck and I have been talking. I think we're going to get into getting some tuning software solutions for the Porsche stuff because we have enough of it. And this car, in my predictions, based on other stuff that I've done, these engines are 13-to-1 compression. So similar to like take a Coyote, like a 18 and up Ford Mustang GT with the Coyote 5-liter. Those are 12-to-1 compression. Those cars pick up 30, 40 horsepower and 85. Same thing with this, high compression. The run at 91 or 93 octane. The amount of timing that can be run is not optimal. So with a little bit of tuning work and some different fuel, E85 or 102 octane, something like that, stuff we run at the road course, I think we could get I think we could be close to 500 horsepower to the tires. So that'd be pretty cool. So thanks for watching, guys. Check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Check out our social media. Share, subscribe, hit the bell, all that stuff. So thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.